Moving on, BJP President JP Nadda today tweeted an old video of Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader. In his video there is seen advocating rights of farmers to sell farmer produce directly to corporates. The video tweeted by BJP shows Rahul Gandhi making the statement on the floor of the Lok Sabha. Nadda claimed that Rahul is opposing the same set of farmers' reforms which he once advocated. The BJP chief further added that Rahul Gandhi is motivated by partisan politics and doesn't have interest of the farmers in mind.
कुछ साल पहले यूपी में मेरा दौरा था और एक किसान ने मुझसे सवाल पूछा, मेरे पास आया और उसने कहा, राहुल जी आप एक बात हमें समझाइए, हम आलू बेचते हैं 2 रुपए किलो, मगर जब हमारे बच्चे चिप्स खरीदते हैं तो 10 रुपए का पैकेट आता है, उसमें एक आलू होता है। और किसान ने मुझसे पूछा, आप हमें बताइए ये क्या जादू हो रहा है। और मैंने उन किसानों से पूछा, आपको क्या लगता है, इसका कारण क्या है। और उन्होंने कहा कि राहुल जी इसका कारण यह है कि जो फैक्ट्रियां बनती हैं वो हमारे से दूर होती हैं। अगर हम डायरेक्टली अपना माल फैक्ट्री में बेच पाते तो जो बीच में से लोग पैसा ले जाते हैं बिचौले, उनको फायदा नहीं होगा और पूरा पैसा हमें मिलेगा।
And here's what Rahul Gandhi said when he went to meet with President on the 24th of December against the farmers' laws. Let's take a listen.
मैंने कोरोना के बारे में बोला था कि नुकसान होने जा रहा है। उस समय किसी ने नहीं बात सुनी और आज मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं, किसान के सामने, मजदूर के सामने कोई भी शक्ति नहीं खड़ी हो सकती है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कानून वापस नहीं लिए, सिर्फ बीजेपी को नहीं, सिर्फ आरएसएस को नहीं, देश को नुकसान होने जा रहा है।
On December 24th, JP Nadda had tweeted a video of Sonia Gandhi's speech as well. The Congress interim chief can be seen advocating removal of middlemen from agricultural sector. Here's what she had said.
होता क्या है? होता ये है कि किसान की पैदावार सस्ते से सस्ते दामों खरीदी जाती है और शहर में महंगे से महंगे दामों बेची जाती है। क्या मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या किसानों का हक नहीं बनता है कि उनके पैदावार की सही कीमत उन्हें मिले? क्या शहर में आम इंसान का ये हक नहीं बनता है कि रोजमर्रा की जरूरत की चीजें उन्हें भी सही दाम पर मिले? ये कब संभव होगा? ये तभी संभव है जब किसान बिना किसी बिचौलिए के अपनी पैदावार सीधे शहर।
Joining us, Aishwarya Palibal, reporting from Delhi. Aishwarya, the BJP there pulling out old videos of what the Congress supremos have said, be it Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. They've been advocating similar reforms that have been made in these new farm laws back then as well. Now what happened? They've taken a U-turn. Take us through what the BJP sentiment is while they attack the opposition on their previous videos.
Well, let me tell you what the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to do. They are trying to kill two birds with a single stone. Now, what these videos are depicting is the fact that when the Congress was in power, that time too, they were trying to make sure that they bring in these changes, but that was something which was not done. It was not possible at that time. The Congress did not do it. It is the Bharatiya Janata Party which has done it now. On the other hand, we are seeing how continuously the ruling party is trying to engage with the farmers. They are trying to tell them that these farm laws will be good for them in the long run. And by bringing up these videos, the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to tell the farmers that it's not just the BJP but other parties too want these laws to be implemented, but only because they are in the opposition now. They are now making a U-turn and saying that these laws will do farmers harm.
Right.
Back to you.
Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.